The way I remember it was literally like a ray of light. I walked in the room when she was a contestant in the pageant, and I immediately gravitated towards her. I know it's cliche, love at first sight kind of deal, but that's exactly what it was, and I just couldn't stop looking at her afterwards.
I, as a freshman, coming from a majority white school, I was destined to go to a black university. So I came to Prairie View, I went to Hump Day, and I said, you know what? He's kind of cute. If I was to date a Sigma, it would be him. And it ended up being him. I ended up being in the pageant, just looking for some extra scholarship money. And he popped up into one of our rehearsals. I was like, oh my God, what is going on? And then after that, didn't see him again. Exchanged numbers in Cypress Walmart. And ever since then, he can't leave me alone. Saw him, glanced at him, didn't even think nothing of it. Then saw him at the pageant rehearsal, saw each other, didn't exchange numbers, didn't even know when the next time I was gonna see him. It was so random how it all happened, so most definitely it's fate.
Personally, I've never seen her. I never knew about her until our Sigma pageant. And I never seen her afterwards, after the pageant, unless we were communicating with each other. And it was crazy with how Prairie View played the roles because I graduated high school in 2005. One of my high school teachers got her master's at Prairie View in chemistry. I talked to a professor that went to Prairie View and had a cousin that played Sigma and Prairie View that also went there and graduated from there. So I was destined to go to PV. While her situation, just speaking for myself, she always wanted to go to a black school. She always wanted to experience true black culture. And she just wanted to be around her people and just see me. I didn't know that I was gonna see her and she was gonna see me. So if I had any other choice to go to any other college, but I chose Prairie. I had scheduled a photo shoot, so we went to a park and she thought it was just a regular photo shoot, and so I had the ring in my back pocket, so she went away for a little bit, so she had to turn around and take the pictures. So when she turned around and take the pictures, I was ready. So as soon as she turned back around, I was already on one knee, ready to give her this expensive 1.5 carat ring.
Oh God, I had a wave of emotions. That same weekend, my grandmother was very ill, and so I stayed the whole weekend there. Didn't go to church, didn't do anything. All she wanted to do was sit there and watch TV. We sat there and watched TV. We did everything that she wanted to do. And so he chose that weekend to want to take pictures with me.
That was a long time he was free.
And so I was like, oh my God, this is gonna be horrible. I cried the whole way to Kilgore. I cried the whole way back from Kilgore to Houston. We went there and I didn't really want to take pictures, which is not normal for me. So yeah, I took the pictures and I just started crying after I turned around. It was just a lot going on in my head. I was like, oh my God, we gotta get married. This is gonna be a huge wedding. We gotta plan this engagement. It's gonna be about 1.5 years away. And is my grandmother gonna be there? And so that was the big question that I was dealing with myself. And then it was like I was happy, but I was sad, but I just didn't know how to handle everything. And so she was the first person that I called. I didn't even call my mama first. She was like, I saw your ring. I said, what are you talking about? Because she had a little bit of early stages of dementia. I was like, I don't know. She don't know what she's talking about. She was like, I saw your ring. It's really pretty. I think you're going to like it. And I was like, what is she talking about? And so she actually told me about the ring, but I did not believe her because of the slight dementia that she had. And so
I had the ring.
Believe it or not, she knew what she was talking about.
I had the ring with me the entire time.
The whole time.
The whole weekend.